Wednesdays are a time when we get to talk about the weather a little more in depth and help you understand how it can impact us here in Kern County. Today we wanted to talk about spring weather because spring officially begins tomorrow. At least it does on the calendar. Tomorrow is the vernal equinox occurring at precisely 2:01 a.m. our time. But it has already felt like spring for a few weeks around here, as you all know. Meteorological spring, that began back on March 1st as we started to really notice it was feeling more spring-like with the temperatures warming to the 70s. And we've seen some 80s already. Then we changed our clocks ahead 1 hour last Sunday, and it messed everything up. Contrary to a popular belief that has surfaced at times, the change from standard daylight saving time does not affect our weather patterns. Rather, it just affects the clock. It's suddenly darker in the morning and lighter longer into the evening. That does mean that it takes longer during our usual day to see the sun heating up our atmosphere. So as a result, our afternoon highs are now usually at about 4 p.m. instead of at about 3 p.m. like we've seen for the past couple winter months. Additionally, the times when you'll be able to see certain weather charts is now an hour later because the National Weather Service operates on Z time. That's Greenwich Mean Time along the Prime Meridian, which does not observe daylight saving time. So those charts are still produced and transmitted at the same time. It just affects us as forecasters. So this is pretty cool. As the Earth's spins on its axis, producing night and day, it also moves around the sun, as you know, in an elliptical or an elongated circle. That orbit requires about 365.25 days to complete. That's why we need a leap year every 4 years. The Earth's spin and the axis tilted on its orbital plane is what actually causes the seasons. So it's not whether we're closer or farther away from the sun, it's whether we're leaning into it or leaning away. So for summer, we're leaning toward the sun and it gives us longer, hotter days. In the winter, we're leaning away. So what is tomorrow? The vernal equinox? Well, that is when we actually have the center of the sun directly above the equator. All of the areas around the world get about 12 hours of equal daylight and equal night. It's not precise down to the minute because it really depends on your latitude, but tomorrow is our most even day. Midway between these two times in spring and autumn, the spin of the axis of the Earth points 90 degrees away from the sun, as we just saw for winter. So right now, when we have the equal daylight, it also means that we're going to be heading into warmer weather because now that we're even, we are beginning to face into the sun. You heard Candy mentioning there's a chance for maybe some 90s next week. Yeah, spring is here. And we were talking a lot about the allergies as well. It's just that time of year and summer around here gets even worse. So now you know it's all about the tilt of the Earth and the way we face the sun, not necessarily where we are in the orbit. We'll be right back.